Plant FAQs. Aglaonema Marianne. Aglaonema Marianne, your guide to this easygoing beauty. Hi, Ferbvu here, and today we're diving into the world of the Aglaonema Marianne, a stunning and resilient houseplant that's quickly become a favorite. Known for its captivating foliage and adaptability, this little gem is perfect for plant enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete newbie, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for your Aglaonema Marianne. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. What is an Aglaonema Marianne? The Aglaonema Marianne, also known as the Chinese evergreen, is a member of the Araceae family, hailing from the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia. It boasts elongated, glossy leaves adorned with a mesmerizing blend of green and creamy white patterns. This visually calming combination adds a touch of elegance to any indoor space. How to care for Aglaonema Marianne. Light. Unlike many houseplants, the Aglaonema Marianne thrives in low to moderate light conditions. While bright, indirect sunlight is ideal, it can tolerate shadier spots as well. Just avoid placing it in direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. This low-maintenance plant doesn't require frequent watering. In fact, overwatering is a common culprit for problems. The key is to allow the top inch of soil to dry out completely before watering again. Soil. Opt for a well-draining potting mix. A good option is a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid mix or core. This ensures proper aeration and prevents water from accumulating around the roots. Temperature and humidity. The Aglaonema Marianne prefers warm temperatures between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 to 26 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or air conditioners. As a native of the tropics, it appreciates moderate to high humidity levels, around 60 to 80%. Fertilizer. While not strictly necessary, a light feeding with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer, can promote healthy growth. Toxicity. It's important to note that the Aglaonema Marianne, like many Araceae plants, is mildly toxic. Keep it out of reach of children and pets to avoid any potential problems. Aglaonema Marianne versus other popular houseplants. Trying to decide if the Aglaonema Marianne is the right fit for you? Here's a quick comparison with some popular houseplant alternatives. Pothos. Both are low maintenance with beautiful foliage, but the pothos thrives in brighter light and requires more frequent watering. Snake plant. Another low-light champion. The snake plant is even more drought-tolerant than the Aglaonema Marianne. However, it lacks the vibrant variegation. ZZ plant. Similar to the snake plant in terms of light and watering needs, the ZZ plant offers a unique, glossy foliage but lacks the patterned charm of the Aglaonema Marianne. Troubleshooting common Aglaonema Marianne problems. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or exposure to harsh sunlight. Adjust your watering routine and check the light conditions. Leggy growth. This is a sign of insufficient light. Move your plant to a brighter spot with indirect sunlight. Yellowing leaves. This could indicate overwatering, nutrient deficiency, or natural leaf senescence, aging. Pest infestation. While uncommon, mealybugs and spider mites can occasionally target your Aglaonema Marianne. Neem oil spray or insecticidal soap can be used for control. Conclusion. The allure of the Aglaonema Marianne. With its captivating looks and easygoing nature, the Aglaonema Marianne is a true winner for indoor spaces. Its tolerance for low light and infrequent watering makes it ideal for busy plant parents or those new to the world of houseplants. So, if you're looking for a beautiful and low-maintenance addition to your home, the Aglaonema Marianne is definitely worth considering.